Hi and welcome to Let's Get Medical. This is a mini medical video on neuroanatomy, and in today's video we'll be discussing the spinothalamic tract. So first, what is the spinothalamic tract? It is part of the central nervous system and is one of the ascending tracts present in our body. It is responsible for carrying sensory information originating from our peripheral nerves to the brain. It is the tract responsible for the sensations of temperature, pain, and crude touch. It can be divided into lateral, which carries pain and temperature sensation, and anterior, which carries the crude touch element. With that in mind, let us look at the pathway. Here you can see the cervical and the lumbar spines of the spinal cord. The cervical spine will have neurons carrying sensation from the upper regions of the body, whereas the lumbar spine will contain neurons carrying sensation from the lower regions of the body. Here, the blue neurons will depict sensory information carried from the cervical fibers, whereas the red neurons will carry information from the lumbar fibers. Before we continue our journey, here are some of the other structures involved in the spinothalamic tract. As you can see, the tract will have to go through the brainstem before entering the cerebrum to deliver its information. The first-order neurons synapse in their respective spines with the second-order neurons, which decussate in the spinal cord and carry the information up to the higher structures in the central nervous system. It's important to note they decussate before entering the brain, as this will result in specific pathologies in clinical context. Once in the brain, the second-order neurons go to the thalamus, where they synapse again with the final-order neurons that enter the primary somatosensory cortex. These neurons are the third-order neurons, and they are where the spinothalamic cortex finishes. Based on the somatosensory homunculus, the sensation from structures lower down in the body will be carried closer to the cerebral fissure in the somatosensory cortex, whereas sensation from structures higher up in the body will be delivered more laterally to it. This has been our mini medical video on the spinothalamic tract. Please like, share and subscribe for more medical education.